Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start your GMC Sierra without traditional keys. We will explore convenient and safe methods for getting your truck running, focusing on situations where you might not have your physical key readily available. This includes utilizing your vehicle's built-in remote start system and understanding what to do if your key fob battery unexpectedly dies. Remote start is a fantastic feature for convenience, especially in extreme weather. To use it, first ensure your doors are locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob once and immediately press and hold the remote start button for about 4 seconds. Your Sierra's engine will start, and it will run for approximately 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. With the hour set, it's time for the minutes. Press the menu /clock button again, just a quick press this time. You'll notice the minute display will now begin to flash, indicating it's ready for your input. Use the same selector knob to rotate and adjust the minutes until they match the current time perfectly. Take your time to get it just right. To avoid unexpected issues, always ensure your key fob battery is fresh. Replace it every 1 to 2 years. Familiarize yourself with your GMC Sierra's owner's manual for detailed information on all features and emergency procedures. If you encounter persistent starting problems or complex electrical concerns, it is always best to seek assistance from a certified GMC service technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.